Get the Pay to Fuel app and pay for fuel easily from your car or the MyŠkoda app. Go to your MyŠkoda app profile and select Pay to Park and Fuel. To register, simply enter your billing address and number plate. Then add your payment card. Fill out the details and tap the Register button. Now you're ready to go. At the petrol station, tap Maps in the app. Choose petrol stations from the options at the top, then tap Pay to Fuel and enter your fuel pump number. Tap Begin Fueling to start the fueling process, and you have 8 minutes to do so. When you're done, the app will show you the amount and the price of the fuel. Now you can continue on your way. Let's explore.